Unlike a lot of other cemeteries, which are very calm and morbid and very silent, there's someone in the cemetery at all times. You look in any direction and there's a person with or without a dog. Tens of thousands of visitors every year visit the cemetery. So it's really a lively place. We do a lot of activities to attract people to come and wander around in the cemetery and literally get lost on purpose and just start reading headstones and learning a little bit about their own history. This cemetery, and like others in urban environments, actually acted as an urban park in the Victorian era. People would actually come here and picnic. In the 1970s and 80s, the cemetery was more or less abandoned. It was very expensive to upkeep. The church that owns it, Christ Church, they couldn't afford to even mow the grass. Dog walkers on the Capitol Hill actually started self-taxing themselves to mow the yard for funerals.
Here we go. Come here, Tallulah. Started with a group of around 18 or 20 dog walkers who were wandering through here during the years when it was very unkempt and vandalized, frankly. Sometimes it was actually dangerous. But we banded together to feel comfortable about walking in here. And it occurred to us that we could indeed make this more of a community space. When the cemetery first came around, it was not uncommon for these to serve as urban parks and green spaces. And we are glad to have contributed toward that cause, having the cemetery return to its real intent, which is to be a community spot.
It gets a little depressing out here sometimes when you walk around and you see headstones falling down, but we have them all prioritized, and we work on the ones that are leaning first so that they don't damage themselves or, God forbid, injure somebody. Some of our most famous people that have visitors include the FBI director, J. Edgar Hoover. We have the Marine Corps band leader, John Philip Sousa, which is one of our favorites. So there's a musical bar right in his marker. One of our most famous, most recent burials is the famous mayor of Washington, D.C., Marion Barry. We were founded in 1807 when Washington, D.C. was a very small city at that point, and we have been burying people from all faiths and congregations and colors since the beginning. And we are still an active cemetery. Our only qualifications to be buried here are you have to be dead.